Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic set, right? So today we'll be discussing on the topic dictionary. So let's get into the definition part here. What does the definition part of the dictionary say? Here, let's see. A dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs in Python. So this is very important. What does it say? A dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs in Python, right? Keys are unique. Always remember this one. Keys are always unique and values can be any data type. Values can be of any data type, right? So this can be created using the key value format, right? Or created using the key value format. Just remember this, right? Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs in Python, right? So let's get into the definition part. I'll just go with a very simple example here. Let me go with my underscore dict here. This one, let me go with some key. I'll just go with the key name here. Let me go with a value Bharadwaj. So this is fine. Next, I'll just go with the age here. So let me go with age here. So this one will be 31. So this is fine. Now let's try to access the value by key, right? So I'll just print here this one. Let me print something. This will be my dict. So within the array, I'll just give name here. This is fine. Name. So yep. Now we are just trying to access the value by its key. So when I try to access the value by its key, so the key is name, we have to get the value Bharadwaj, the output for the this one, right? Line number 7. So let's try to modify the value, right? So I'll just give here my dictionary. So age, so this one let me give here age. We have given the value 31, right? So random value. So I'll just go with the 30. Let's modify this one to 30, right? So this is fine. Now let's print something here. My We have to pass the variable name my dict, means we have to get the output 30. If I try to access this one, this value by key name age, we have to get the output 30 because we have assigned this one to 30, right? So now let's add the new key value pair. So I'll just go with my dict. So how to add here? So I'll just go with the square bracket here. Let me pass city. Let me pass city here. City, let me give here London. City, let me give here London. So let's print something here. Print, let me pass the variable name my dict, right? So this is fine. Finally, we have one more operation. If we have to remove the key, we have to go with the del keyword, delete basically. So we will be going with the del keyword. So I'll just go with my dict here. So let's remove the key name, right? So let's remove the key name here. Both the key and values will be deleted basically, right? So this one will be print. Let me pass the variable name my dict, right? So for this one, we have to get the output this one value, right? So value is Bharadwaj. The second one, uh, we are assigning the value, means we are modifying the value of the key age from 31 to 30. That's what we are doing. Third one, we are adding the new key value pair, nothing but key is city here. The this one value is London, right? So to remove certain key, we are removing the key name basically. This key will be completely removed along with its value. So to remove this one, to remove the key, we'll be making use of the del keyword within the dictionary, right? Del keyword. So as I've said, the key along with the value will be removed. Let's try to run the code. Let's see what output we get. So I'll just come here. Let me copy the file name here. Let me paste it over here. .py. So see here, Bharadwaj. This is fine. Correct. Name Bharadwaj. Age 30 we are getting. Right. So name Bharadwaj. Age 30 we are getting. Because see here, we have changed the value from this one 31 to 30. 31 to 30. This works absolutely correct. So this one for the third one, this one we have added one more key, nothing but city with the value London. So see here, name Bharadwaj, age 30, city we are getting London, right? So city we are getting London, which is absolutely correct. Fine, this works correct, right? Finally we are removing the key name, nothing but along with the key the value will be deleted. So we have to get the output just age 30 and city London, right? So these two things we are getting. See here, age 30, city London within the dictionary or within the flower braces, right? So this works absolutely correct, man, right? This works absolutely correct. We are getting the desired output. So this is it for the dictionary. This is it for the dictionary basically. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far, right? So just remember this one point. This is very important. Dictionaries store key value pairs with unique keys. That's it actually, right? So very simple one. Dictionaries store key value pairs with unique keys, right? So this is it for the dictionaries. Next, we'll be discussing on the topic or on the data structure strings basically, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.